Hey viewers, how are you doing? Very quickly, I just want to show you how you can put something like this into your slide using Canva. Trust me, Canva does not have these features. Alright, so there is no way you want to go about it on Canva. But I'm going to show you just a simple tip that you can use to put this into your slide. Most especially if you are teaching mathematics, physics or chemistry. Trust me, I got you covered. You are welcome.
Now let's get started on how to use CodeCogs. All you have to do is click on your browser, then type in CodeCogs. Okay, then you're going to click on the first link. It's loading. Okay, this is it. So now let's say I want to type a fraction 1/2. I'll just click on this one. You can see 1/2. Just click on that, then you put the number 1, you put the number 2, then you can see it appears there 1/2. I will download it. Let's just download it. Okay, let's say I want to type 1/2 plus 3/5. I'll just click on plus, then I'll click on this again, 3/5. You can see it appears there. I need that also. I will download it. Alright, now suppose you want to, let's say you want to type in a bigger equation. Now let's say you want to type in the quadratic equation, yes, let's start from there. Y equals to ax squared plus bs plus c. So that would be ax. Now this is something of power. This is something of power. You can see ax, I will put it 2 plus, I will put in my plus, bx plus c. You can see I need this one also. I will download it. Okay, now any form of equation that I want to type in mathematics, just come here, be it matrix, be it integral. This is integral now, integral from 2 to 7, or let me say to 8 of let's say x power 2. Now you can see it will appear here. I need that also. Let's download it. You can see all what I'm downloading, right? Now let's talk about this bigger equation. Now this bigger equation, let's say you want to type in square root. Let's look for square root. Okay, now if you cannot see square root easily here, you can do well to do it very well and search. You will see square root. But if you cannot see square root, just backslash sqrt. Can you see that now? Square root. Now inside your square root, you want to type in a fraction. Inside your square root, you want to type in a fraction. Okay, so you can click on this fraction button. You can see fraction. Now in your fraction you have x plus the numerator. For the numerator now you have x plus 3 power 2. You can see it is showing the picture here, so that if you notice that there's a mistake here, you can do what to edit the mistake. All right, going further, plus 3. Can you see? Then the denominator now, I can say another square root. Okay, yes, this is where square root is. You can see another square root. Okay, 2 plus x. Now look at this. Look at what I'm going to write now. The x will be having a power of square root. Look at this. Can you see that? Now the square root will also have a fraction. I'll click on, okay, let me click on Ctrl Z. In my square root, I want to have a square root, then a fraction. Yes, 1 and 2, and that is it. You can see that is does it. We are done with it. This big equation. Then I'll do what? I'll download. Now you know how to type all this equation now. Let's now go into how to insert them in Canva. Yes, we need to insert it in Canva. Now I want to go to my Canva app now. Canva, I'll be using the web part. Alright, Canva. Then let it load. You can see I use Canva a lot in creating my slide, creating any design, creating any logo. I use Canva a lot. Alright, so let me just go to create a design. Okay, let me just use this, the presentation. Yes, this is it. So let me change the color so that you can do well to see what I want to do very well. Let me just change the color. So let me change the color to like blue. Yes, this is better now. So now I want to put in those equations from CodeCogs. This is how I go about it. Upload. Now upload files. Then I will go to my download. I'm going to see CodeCogs equation 16, CodeCogs equation 15, 14, and all of that, because I've been using it for a very long time now. So this is 11, 12, 13, but just check on today. You can see today. Then I'm going to highlight all of it, then open. Yes, let it load. It's loading. Let it load. You can see it's loading. Let it load. Alright, so we have our equation now. So you can pick them one after the other. Can you see? I hope you can see this. So it is very simple to do for me. Like, this is what I use most of the time to do my equation. I can even change the color. I can change the color to white. I can change it to any color I want. You can see that is does it. And that is just how to use CodeCogs and Canva. So you can put this in your slide and it will look more professional. If you like this video, please do well to give me a thumb up, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you.